Hello everyone. Today we're going to check out some awesome AI websites that you won't believe are completely free. Whether you're just having fun, working on a project, or even looking to make some extra money, why not? These tools have got you covered, so let's dive in and see what they can do. And the number one is Hugging Face, and this is one of the strongest AI websites at the moment. We're gonna be checking out their Comic Factory. So if you click on spaces, you will notice there's a lot of them right here. You can use them if you want, but come right here and search comic. You see right here, there's this one. Click AI Comic Factory, and that's your Comic Factory. You got the storyline right here, the style, as well, American, Japanese, the grid. You want captions, bubbles. So let's take an example and try it out. So let's try out Deadpool Adventure. Let's keep it American 1950. Let's use this grid number 2 and just keep the style empty for now. Just trying it out. Click go. And this is done right here, and this is your page with the Deadpool Adventure. You can see the captions. You can, for example, if you don't like this, you can hit redraw and you can edit this one. For example, you can just edit the prompt and they will generate the picture again. So let's edit this one. For example, if we type in Deadpool running, Deadpool like this, save. As you see, it changed depending on the prompt. So if you're very creative, you could use this, and why not make your own comic book and sell it online. For example, take like a specific genre that you are very creative in and just start making your own comic books, and why not sell them and make some money. Also, you can try all the styles. Let's try Japanese. Click go. And here it is, the Deadpool with the Japanese art style. So if you want to see the whole thing, just come right here, scroll, put this down, and you can see the whole image. If you want to zoom in, just like that, to see the full art. So just like that. You can customize more the style range, either like you could try all these. And the number 2 AI website that I'm going to show is Dezgo. It is primarily a text-to-image generator. So they give you free image generation for people who are working on projects or they just want to experience the AI generation tools. So when you enter the website, you come to text-to-image. You get your prompt, your model. Right here you choose which one. So you type in your prompt. So we have a man running in the woods. Let's maybe this one. Click run. And there you go, a man running in the woods. So I just picked this model to kind of see how the wood's gonna look. More green, more light. So also they offer image to image upscaling as well for people who want their pictures to look more upscaled when zoomed in. Click open. Let's try this picture, run. And there you go, let's try to zoom in to see. As you see, the picture is not losing the quality at all. And also they have background removing, which I personally use every day and it's very accurate. For example, let's use this and click run. As you see, the background is removed. So if you notice right here, they have the mod. Return the original image with transparency, or return a black and white mask. So it depends on what type of background you want. If you want a black and white mask, you can choose this one. But if you want just the objects with no background, just click this one. And the website number 3 is the Humanize AI. So many people are looking for a good AI humanizer, and this one is very good. I've been using it for a while, and it's not only good, it is for free. You can use it all time with no problem. So let's try it out. So I've got this text from ChatGPT, copy. Let's go to Quillbot, paste in Quillbot, analyze. It is AI, 100%. Let's go to Humanize AI. Click Humanize. Copy the humanized text, go to Quillbot, paste, analyze, and there you go. So that's it. You can use the Dezgo plus the Humanize AI to create very good quality blogs and put them on your website, so you will get higher SEO rankings, of course, and you can run ads and sign up for affiliate programs and make some money as well. And for now, tell me in the comments if you need any help, and if you like the video, please subscribe and leave a like. And for now, stay safe and see you in the next video.